One thing I don't joke about is my hair care routine. Welcome, guys, to my wash day routine protective style edition. So, we have my flat twist, and I'm going to be doing my wash day routine and my little hair care routine, quick and easy for my protective hairstyle. So, backstory, I have my flat twist protective hairstyle and I'm planning to keep it for 3 months, guys. Like 3 months is the goal. So I'm really, really, really intentional about my hair care routine, especially my scalp routine. So this is my wash day routine. I do my wash days twice in a month when I have a protective hairstyle on because I don't use extensions, so I can get away with doing a lot to my hair. So we're going first off with my shampoo. You can see I damped my hair a little bit with water, then I went in with like a good portion of shampoo. I do like two wash depending on what, like how the first wash goes. If it goes well, I just go in with just one wash. But my hair, I don't know why my hair was dirty because this is just 2 weeks. Like I don't know why, maybe the products, but I didn't get that foam that I want, and my scalp didn't feel like squeaky clean. So I went in with a second wash. If you notice, I'm focusing more on my scalp because we need to keep that scalp clean because we're keeping this protective hairstyle for a long time. So I'm focusing more on my scalp routine and protecting my ends. That's like the main goal for this protective hairstyle. This routine is so quick and easy. I focus mainly on my scalp, make sure my scalp is clean and all of that good stuff. Then we go down with the first rinse, just to rinse off that shampoo, nothing special. This routine is like my basic routine. I have other routines where I do my treatment. I'm going to also show you guys my treatment routine, but it's not going to be in this video because this is my first wash on this protective hairstyle. So this is just like my basic scalp routine type of routine. So I'm not really doing so much, but this routine is so important because it's like showing how you can get your scalp clean and the importance of having a clean scalp, especially in a protective hairstyle. So we're on to our second wash. I could tell that my hair was getting a little bit more clean at this stage, so I just did a little bit more like cleansing my scalp, making sure my scalp is clean, ran the products like the shampoo around my hair because at the same time you have to wash your whole head, not just your scalp. So also focus on your hair too. So now we're down to the last rinse. I'm more satisfied with how my hair feels now. My hair isn't stripped. I don't like my hair stripped, but I know when my hair is clean to the point that okay, I'm like I can put in new products. The goal is to clean my hair, like my scalp, so that I can put new product in and it can work well. Because if you that whole belief that your hair grows when your hair is dirty, it's a lie, guys. Clean your scalp, wash your hair. That's why a good hair routine is important, especially if you have a protective hairstyle. Because you have a protective hairstyle, that doesn't mean you should not take care of your hair. It's totally wrong because your hair is going to break. If your hair is dry, it's going to break even in that protective hairstyle. So we're on to my conditioner now. Absolutely love this conditioner, and guys, it's not expensive. It's literally the cheapest product I have, and it's literally the best product I use. Like this conditioner is so nice. I think they do a leave-in. I've not seen a leave-in of this version before, but if there's a leave-in, I will grab that immediately. So I put this all over my hair, then I go in with my shower cap first before I go in with my steam cap. I like doing my little conditioning with this particular what they call it conditioner because it just makes my hair extra soft and I like it. I leave it in for like 9 minutes, 10 minutes max. Then I take that off and you can immediately tell the difference. I'm not doing a protein treatment because I only do protein treatments like once a month. It's a treatment, guys. If you do it too much, you're going to destroy your hair. Like it's a treatment. My hair doesn't need it. I just did it last like 2 weeks ago, so I don't need it. I'm just saying my hair is so soft. Like the way my hair is feeling. So now we're going to rinse off that product because it's not a leave-in, guys. If it's not a leave-in product, rinse it out. You don't need it in your hair. So I'm just going to rinse all that product out, and when everything is done, we can finally be getting closer to the end of this routine. So just making sure my scalp feels nice, my hair feels absolutely nice. There's a lot of importance to deep conditioning, and basically is that added moisture to your hair. And if you have a protective hairstyle, moisture is your friend, because if your hair is dry, it's going to break, guys. So now we're on to my cream, oils, and conditioner. So I'm using the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'm using my virgin hair fertilizer, guys. Go and get that product, and also my herbal oil. So we're going in with my leave-in conditioner first, the Cantu leave-in conditioner. This is not my favorite conditioner. I'm willing to try out more products, but I just want this product to finish so I can try out something else. I do not put this on my scalp because it's so thick and it can literally clog my scalp. So I only put it on my hair, most especially my ends, because your ends need all the loves, like all the love. So you need to take off your ends, because if you're trying to grow your hair, if you're not, your ends are breaking off, you're not going to be seeing length. So just take off your ends. Make sure that you apply your conditioner to your ends and avoid your scalp. I do not put conditioner directly on my scalp. If it gets to my scalp, good and fine, but I do not put it directly on my scalp. I make sure to just put it on my hair. So I'm just giving you a side view of how that is looking. So I'm grabbing my virgin hair fertilizer. Guys, go and get this product. It's absolutely amazing. I love it, love it, love it. So this is how it looks inside. I usually get the tube because I don't find the container anymore, so I just put the tube in directly to the container, and it's a lot better because the tube tends to leak. So I get the tube, but I have the container. I don't know if they still sell it, but I hardly find it. So I just focus on my tips, my hair, and my scalp when using this. I love doing the LCO method, that's liquid, cream, and oil. I use my virgin hair fertilizer as my cream because it's a cream literally. Then I go in with a little bit more because I want to focus on my scalp at this moment. It has like mint in it, so when you put it on your scalp, you get that refreshed kind of like minty, fresh, cooling vibe on your scalp, which feels amazing. After putting this on my scalp, I always go in with a scalp massage, guys. The importance of there are benefits to it, no, and it's proven that it helps with hair growth and like your blood flow. Your scalp helps to stimulate hair growth and all that good stuff. So it doesn't take anything from you. Just do a little bit of a scalp massage, and it feels amazing. Like it feels relaxing, it feels amazing, and you're actually helping your hair growth, your hair to grow, and all of that good stuff. So clearly you can see that I'm really enjoying this scalp massage. It feels amazing. I just do this for just, I don't really time it, but when I know that my scalp feels like stimulated, and you can just have that tingling feeling and you can tell. You can also do this with a scalp massager if you don't want to use your fingers, but I didn't want to use this because my hair is going to get a lot frizzy and I have a flat twist on, so I don't want my flat twist to start getting bulky, like getting loose, because I'm keeping in this protective hairstyle for 3 months and I don't want so much. There's a lot of hair that's going to come out, like new growth, so I don't want it to be already loose at this stage, because this is just 2 weeks. That's why I didn't really do like a serious wash day routine, because I washed my hair like 2 weeks ago, so it's not that dirty. So last thing, my herbal oil. I make this by myself. I will link the video on how you can do this at home. The herbs I use on this is fenugreek, moringa, chepe, rosemary, and some other oils. But I mostly use lightweight oils in this particular herbal oil because I put it on my scalp, and I don't want heavy oils on my scalp because it can clog up my scalp and all of that. So I go in with this. I focus mainly on my tips, like my ends, because this oil helps with like hair growth. It helps with split ends and it helps with shedding. Yeah, it helps with shedding. So I use it mainly for my scalp and for the ends of my hair. Then I just put whatever is left in my palm or my hands on the rest of my hair. And guys, literally that's the end of this video. My simple hair care routine. Just do this, your hair will thank you later. And a tip is that your hair absolutely love routines. So if you're focusing on your routine, you notice that your hair is getting a lot better. And yeah, so far so good. My hair has been loving this, and this is my first time trying a protective hairstyle for this long, keeping it for this long, and I'm documenting it. So if you want to stay for this journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment if you have any questions about my routine or like other stuff I do, because I do a lot of other things. This is like my basic easy routine, but it's absolutely still amazing. And if you're starting off, this is like a routine to help if you're getting really confused or you don't know what to do. This is like my basic routine to start off before you find out what your hair loves. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye.